How far can a drone fly? Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we will discuss how far can a drone fly that you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. I have prepared this video guide for how far can a drone fly. So let's get started. The distance that drones may travel from their operator seems to expand as drone technology advances. Today, purchasing a drone that can travel up to 10 kilometers 6.2 miles out from the controller is not unusual. That area is fantastic. These days drones can fly upwards to 18 kilometers distant from their operators. But according to the law, a drone should always be maintained in the operator's line of view. This may dramatically shorten the flight range to just 500 meters from the controller. A drone is also not permitted to fly over 400 feet. Not all drones are created equal. They may differ. They also have a broad regarding the distance they may veer from the controller while maintaining flight. The drone range is the distance an uncrewed aerial vehicle may go off course and maintain a usable signal. Each drone model includes a stated flight range. However, the legal necessity to preserve your drone's visibility while in flight should prevail above the physical restrictions on the drone's reach. A drone's specific range depends on the strength of the control input and the transmission technology used. It is uncertain if you can view the drones clearly enough to determine whether they are responding to your commands effectively, even if they can maintain communication with you with a range of 4 kilometers. You cannot immediately determine if a drone would cause damage or if it will turn left after you have let it travel right if you can't see the drone. Therefore, a drone under external control risks individuals, objects, structures, and vehicles. As a result, according to FAA guidelines, you must keep the drone within your line of sight to operate it safely or recreationally. The terrain, adjacent objects, and atmospheric conditions would affect how far a drone fly, and you can maintain a good view of drones. If all other factors remain constant, a drone with such a lighter density would always fly further compared to one that must lift more weight. It's just fundamental physics. The blades must work harder to create power to raise and transport more load while spinning faster. This is a no-brainer. Installing a larger battery is necessary if you desire a greater range. Users also add to the rover's total weight by using a bigger battery, reducing its range. Your batteries must have a larger specific gravity power density if you wish to enhance the drone's distance while adding weight.